In this video, we will see about simple storage device, means S3. S3 is stand for simple storage device. Basically, this is the product of Amazon. So it is also known as a Amazon Simple Storage Device or Amazon S3. And it is an object storage service that offer industry leading scalability, data availability, security, and performance. This means customer of all size and industries can use it to store and protect any amount of data for a range of use cases such as website, mobile applications, backup and restore, archive, enterprises, applications and IoT devices and also big data analytics. Amazon S3 provide easy to use management feature so you can organize your data and configure finely tuned access control to meet your specific businesses, organizational and compliance requirement. Amazon S3 is designed for 99.999% of durability and store data for millions of applications for companies all around the world. What are the benefits of S3? So, industry leading performance, scalability, availability, and durability is the first benefit, in which we can scale storage resource up and down to meet our requirements or to meet the demands without upfront investment or resource procurement cycle. And we know that this is designed for 99.99 up to 11 times 9 of data durability because it automatically create and store copies of all S3 object across multiple systems. Means a data stored in one system may generate a replica more than one times. So a single data can be saved on different nodes. So if there is any loss of single node, then there is a safe side for the two nodes. And when we apply the big data concept, then it play a different role in the case of data availability. In fifth unit, we will see how data can be replicated and how many times it will be replicated and how data will be stored in the case of big data. So this means your data is available when needed and protected against failure, error, and threats. Second benefit is wide range of cost-effective storage classes. So save cost without sacrificing performance by storing data across the S3 storage classes, which support different data access level at corresponding rate. You can use S3 storage class analysis to discover data that should move to a lower cost storage class based on the access pattern and configure an S3 lifecycle policy to execute the transfer. You can also store data with changing or unknown access pattern in S3 intelligent tiering, which tire objects based on changing access pattern and automatically delivers cost saving. Third benefits is unmatched security, compliance, and audit capability. This means store your data in Amazon S3 and secure it from unauthorized access with encryption feature and access management tools. S3 is the only object storage service that allow you to block public access to all of your objects at the bucket or the account level with S3 public access. S3 maintain compliance programs such as PCI DSS, HIP AA High-Tech, FedRAMP, EU Data Protection Directive, and FISMA to help you meet regularity requirement. S3 integrate with Amazon Massive to discover and protect your sensitive data. AWS also support numerous auditing capabilities to monitor access requests to your S3 resource. Next benefit is easily managed data and access control. So S3 gives you robust capabilities to manage access, cost, replications, and data protection. S3 access point make it easy to manage data access with specific performance for your application using a shared data set. S3 replications features manage data replication within the region or to other region. S3 batch operations help manage large scale change across billions of objects. S3 integration with Amazon Massive automatically provides an inventory of buckets and continuously evaluate your S3 bucket to alert you to any unencrypted buckets. Publicly accessible bucket or bucket shared with AWS account. Since S3 work with AWS Lambda, you can log activities, define alert, and automate workflow without managing additional infrastructure. Next one is a query in place service for analytics. So running big data analytics across S3 object with our query in place service, use Amazon Athena to query S3 data with standard SQL expressions and Amazon Redshift Spectrum to analyze data that is stored across your AWS data warehouses and S3 resource. You can also use S3 select to retrieve subset of object data instead of the entire object and improve query performance up to 400%. Next one is the most supported cloud storage services. So store and protect your data in Amazon S3 by working with a partner from the AWS Partner Network, that is APN, the largest community of technology and consulting cloud service provider. The APN recognizes migration partners that transfer data to Amazon S3 and storage partners that offer S3 integrated solution for primary storage, backup and restore, archive and disaster recovery. You can also purchase an AWS integrated solution directly from the AWS marketplace, which lists over 250 storage specific offerings. How S3 access point work? So this one is a first one is Amazon S3 access point, and it create access point for each applications, and under the maintenance access to the object in your new existing bucket. This will be transferred to the configure S3 access point, where I'll limit access to virtual private cloud, and this will be now easily scale your access. So S3 Amazon S3 access point simplify managing data access at a scale for applications using shared data set on S3. With S3 access point, you can now easily create 100 of access point per bucket, representing a new way of providing access to shared data set. Access point provide a customized path into a bucket with a unique host name and access policy that enforce the specific permission and network control for any request made through the access point. So this is the whole scenario regarding S3, Amazon S3.